If you've been here long enough, you probably know that we have the best pilau recipe, and we also love cooking pilau in this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome. And in this channel, we love cooking and we make uploads on a daily at 2:45 p.m. or 15 minutes to 3 p.m. So today we are making some pilau with a twist. I have other pilau recipes, and today we are making some pilau with meat and potatoes. And these are the list of ingredients. And we have salt. I have some potatoes that are peeled. I have my rice, some cooking oil, some garlic paste, ginger paste. I have my pilau masala, some onions, and my pre-boiled beef. So let's be clear on one thing. You do not need any soy sauce while cooking pilau. The base to a good pilau is the onions. When you brown your onions, your pilau is going to be brown in color. And just to mention, pilau does not need any dania, doesn't need any hoho, doesn't need any vinegar. But you can also feel free to add some tomatoes or some tomato paste. While cooking pilau with some potatoes, you do not cut your potatoes into very small sizes. I'm just going to cut it into halves like that, and also this, and the rest I'm going to leave them just as they are. Once my sufuria is dry, I'll go in with a generous amount of cooking oil, and that's about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And remember, generous is relative. If you are cooking pilau for many people, just add a little bit more. And once my cooking oil is hot, you know it is hot when you insert a wooden spoon and you see some bubbles. We are going to add in our onions. Then we are going to cook them till they turn golden brown, and this may take up to 15 minutes. Some of our onions are starting to gain the color that you want, and at this point you have to be very careful not to burn your onions. And this is about 8 minutes later. So this is exactly the color that we want, not anything darker than this. At this point I'll go in with my ginger, and I'm going to cook it for about 30 or so seconds. In the meantime, we want all of them to be uniformly golden. Then I'm going to go in with my garlic. Then it's at this point that we add in our beef. Then I'll cover this and let it cook for about a minute. Then at this point I'll add in my potatoes. I'll also cover this and let it cook. Then about a minute later, I'll add in some water. And this is going to help to cook the potatoes. Then I'm going to cook the potatoes for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once they start becoming soft, I'll be back. So I'm back, and you can notice that because we browned our onions, our soup is already brown, and we have not yet even added pilau masala. Tell me why you do not agree that we have the best pilau recipe. So at this point, I'll add in my pilau masala, and please make sure that you use really good quality pilau masala. And I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of some pilau masala. Oh, and you can see that has also enhanced the color, and this looks yummy. I'll go in with my rice. Always remember to wash your rice. I have also washed mine. And always remember to pima your water in the ratio of 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Then I'm going to mix this, and you can already see that our mixture already has the color that we always long for in a pilau. I'll add in my salt. Then I'll add in my water. And just to mention, I like using cold water, so this is direct from the tap. So I've added 2 cups of cold water. Oh, look at this color. Isn't this beautiful? Then I'm going to cover this, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to reduce my heat to low. Then it's at this point that you want to cover it with a foil paper, and that is going to help in trapping in the moisture ndipo iweze kuiva na steam. But since I do not have, I'm just going to return my lid, and then I'll reduce my fire to the lowest setting possible. Then I'll give it some time so that the water can fully dry out. Then I'll see you for serving. Look at this. This is beautiful. The taste is amazing. Today we also have our potatoes, and you can see they are well done. And also the kachumbari. This is on another level. So good. And this is how I was instructed to eat my banana. Able you try out this combination. It's legit. I'm also going to add in a kewaru over there, and then to whoever suggested this way of eating pilau, kudos. It's such a great combination. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.